Recently got these two potions from Wizarding Chunk subscription. So I don't subscribe to their subscription box, but I really love some of the stuff that they make. So here's a Pensieve memory vial of Slughorn's memory. And then the second potion that I got was the Daydream potion from Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. So this one was kind of leaking all over the place, but it's still really cool. Just wiped it off and it was okay. But yeah, I think these are both really, really cool. And I think they're gonna look really amazing on my bookshelf.